na-encourage, ang daming nabilib na parang,
Nagawa mo yun?
Nagawa mo yun, nag-resign ka, nakapag-start over again ka, pero hindi nila alam, in my head, in my life, in my personal life that is not on social media, ay nako, breakdown araw-araw yan, iyak sa CR, iyak sa shower, iyak sa kama, iyak sa lahat. Like, yung tipong sa TikTok, makikita mo yung manic episode. Pero at the back of it, the depression is still there. Na parang nagugunaw ng mundo, pero I have to fix what I've broken. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Yung,
Ano?
kailangan kong bayaran lahat ng loans ko, kailangan kong makahanap ng trabaho, kailangan maging successful ako in changing careers. And mind you, even if may suicidal thoughts, hindi ko siya matanggal. Meron ding thoughts of like I can conquer the world.
Sabay.
Sabay.
Yun yung mahirap eh.
Sabay siya, like literal na manic depressive, which I am starting to better understand now kasi it's happening pa rin. Ayun, it's happening pa rin. So manic, it's not just a feeling of happiness eh. It is an extreme sense of happiness or joy, whatever it is that fits better. Tapos ang dami mong energy. Like parang ang hyper mo, no? Parang ang dami mong nilaklak na sugar, na chocolates, but then it's just your mind overproducing
Dopamine and everything.
neurotransmitters.
Sabi nila, yun daw yung organic high.
Yeah, like literal, like parang never ko na try yon, no? Pero if I've tried or if na-experience ko yon, it felt like that, yung parang meron kang tinake na something and it gives you this high.